Let us look at this 2022 NEET question from electrochemistry. At 298 Kelvin, the standard electrode potentials of Cu2 plus Cu, Zn2 plus Zn, Fe2 plus Fe and Ag plus Ag are 0.34 volt, minus 0.76 volts, minus 0.44 volts and 0.80 volt respectively. Which of the following reaction cannot occur? Predict on the basis of standard electrode potential. These are the reactions given to us. I have rewritten the reactions onto another paper and I have written the electrode reduction potentials as given in the question. That is Cu2 plus Cu is 0.34 volt. Zn2 plus Zn is minus 0.76 volts and Fe2 plus Fe is minus 0.44 volts and Ag plus Ag 0.80 volt. So if the reduction potential is more positive, that means it will get reduced. So here in this first equation, CuSO4 plus Zn, the reduction potential of copper is more positive. It is 0.34 plus 0.34 and that of Zn2 plus is minus 0.76. So that means copper should become, from copper sulfate, we should get copper. That is, copper should get reduced. What is the oxidation state of copper in copper sulfate? Sulfate is minus 2 and copper is plus 2. So here we can see copper is in its zero oxidation state. So there is reduction taking place. So that means this reaction is possible. Next one, copper sulfate plus Fe giving FeSO4 plus Cu. Here also we can see Fe is having minus 0.44 volts and copper is having 0.34 volts. So copper should get reduced. Here also the same thing is happening. So this reaction is also possible. What about the next one? FeSO4 and zinc. Fe and zinc. Which is more positive? That is, which is a greater number? We can see Fe2 plus is a greater number. So that means FeSO4, from FeSO4 we should get Fe. Yes, Fe is getting reduced here. That is sulfate minus 2 oxidation state, Fe plus 2. And here it is 0. So here also reduction. That reaction is also, all those three reactions are possible. Now let us look at copper sulfate and Ag. Here we can see copper is having 0.34 volt reduction potential and Ag plus Ag is having 0.80 volt. So Ag, that is silver, should be getting reduced. Is that happening here? No. Silver is getting oxidized. Here silver is in its zero oxidation state. What about here? It is becoming plus 1. So it is getting oxidized. So this cannot happen. That is option D. That is the reaction which cannot take place. Option D is the correct choice.